Hello all, welcome to my channel Education Power. Now discuss about the political history of Shatavahanas. Okay, and as I already said, the founder of Ikshvaku dynasty was Sri Shantamula. Okay, he ruled between 222 to 33 AD. Okay, he has the title Maharaja. Okay, and we can come across the history of Sri Shantamula through inscriptions such as Rentela and Dachepalli. With these inscriptions, through this Rentela and Dachepalli inscription, we can come across the history of Sri Shantamula. Okay, and Sri Shantamula donated 1 lakh cows and 1 lakh plows to farmers. Okay, with this he got the title Shatasahasra Halaka. Okay, he donated 1 lakh cows and 1 lakh plows to farmers. By doing this act, he got the title Shatasahasra Halaka. Okay, and with the help of Romans, he built stadium at Nagarjuna Konda. Okay, he followed Vedic religion. Okay, and he was the devotee of Kartikeya. Okay, and he performed 1 Ashwamedha Yaga and 1 Rajasuya Yaga. Okay, he performed 1 Ashwamedha Yaga and 1 Rajasuya Yaga. Okay, and he killed Pulamavitri. Okay, by killing Pulamavitri, he established the Ikshvaku dynasty. So, he killed Pulamavitri with the help of rich people and feudatories. Okay, and he established his kingdom through matrimonial alliances. Okay, his sister named Shanti Sri. Okay, Shanti Sri was married to Skanda Sri. Okay, this Skanda Sri was the king of Pugia. Okay, this about the founder Sri Shantamula. Please make note of all these points. Coming to the next king, Veerapurusha Datta. Okay, Veerapurusha Datta ruled between 233 to 253 AD. Okay, he ruled between 233 to 253 AD. This Veerapurusha Datta was the greatest among all Ikshvaku kings. Okay, and he was the only king in Ikshvaku dynasty to follow Buddhism. Okay, and he has the titles Dakshin Ashoka and Sri Parvatadipati. Okay, and that the idol of Veerapurusha Datta stomping Shivalinga and worship Buddha was found at Nagarjuna Konda excavations. Okay. In Nagarjuna Konda excavations, the idol of Veerapurusha Datta, who stomping Shivalinga and worshipping Buddha, was found. Okay. This Veerapurusha Datta started the tradition of marrying sister-in-laws. He started the tradition of marrying sister-in-laws and he married 4 sister-in-laws. Okay, he married 4 sister-in-laws and he also married Princess of Ujjain. Okay, he also married Princess of Ujjain, Rudradhara Bhattarika. Okay, we can know the history of Veerapurusha Datta through some inscriptions. Okay, those inscriptions are Alluri inscription, Jaggayapeta inscription, Nagarjuna Konda inscription, Amaravati inscription, and Uppugunduru inscription. Uppugunduru inscription. Okay, through Uppugunduru, Amaravati, Nagarjuna Konda, Jaggayapeta and Alluri inscription, we can know the history of the Ikshvaku king Veerapurusha Datta. Okay, this Veerapurusha Datta constructed Sri Parvata University. Sri Parvata University. Okay, this Sri Parvata University is the first Buddhist university in India. First Buddhist university in India was Sri Parvata University, constructed by Veerapurusha Datta. And Ananda. Okay, there was a person called Ananda who is commander-in-chief of Veerapurusha Datta. Okay, this Ananda repaired Sri Parvata University. Sri Parvata University. Person named Shanti Sri appointed Bhadantacharya to supervise Buddhist constructions. Okay, and person named Upasika Bodhisri. Okay, this Upasika Bodhisri construct a compound wall to Bodhi tree. Okay, and she also sent ambassadors to foreign countries to flourish Buddhism. And total these 20 years period of Veerapurusha Datta referred to as golden period for Buddhism in South India. Okay. Okay, that's for today. We will discuss about the political history. That means there actually, I said there are total 4 kings. We will discuss about those 2 kings in the next session. Thank you.